Today we're in Christ and St Mary's Church at Armathwaite. This is south of Carlisle, between Carlisle and Penrith. And it's a small church within a little country hamlet within the Lake District. And this church was built in 1402, and funnily enough by the 17th century, it was a cattle shelter. But it was rebuilt by Richard Skelton of the nearby Armathwaite Castle in about 1660. And it has some beautiful additions in here, and a lot of stained glass from the 20th century, from the early 20th century up to the 2000, well, the 21st century, as we shall see in a minute. Going inside, it's quite a nice church, and very bright, interesting beams. And here we have some modern 2000s and 19th century, late 19th century, and there's a Burne-Jones window there, the Morris window. And this is the Morris & Company window, designed by Burne-Jones and installed about 1915. Well, unfortunately, he's dead by then. But here we have a beautiful font, as it looks down towards another stained glass window, which was based on a Rubens painting. And there's a nice local banner on the wall, right beside the organ, which was Manchester built in Manchester. And there's a 21st century stained glass, and going down to a 1917 stained glass. And of course, there's a pre-Raphaelite one. Lovely church to have a visit in, and up on an embankment with the churchyard all around. Very green. It was a very nice day, and I absolutely love the stonework. Not far from the main road down the bottom, and runs parallel with the motorway further along. I would see, walking around the graveyard, some absolutely stunning countryside. But this is, after all, the Lake District. And as you can see, it's very clean, well looked after, and congregation still comes on a regular basis. So well worth looking at. Another church with one pre-Raphaelite window in, but there you go. It's nice to look at these things now and again. But worth going and visiting, which is the main thing. So if you like, please like, subscribe, and continue to watch. Bye for now.